Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you something special for you that will help you in your print-on-demand business. And out of my love to a certain phrase that is sharing is caring, I have purchased a very big list of 1,000 print-on-demand niches and their sub-niches as well. In addition, this awesome list has a search volume of each single niche or sub-niche. Thus, you can decide which niches you can work on to get more sales and to get more profit. And now let's not waste any time anymore and go together to this awesome list. And there is now this big list, the ultimate niche list, okay? And these 1,000 sub niches and niches are sorted alphabetically in English and in German as well, okay? And if we go down a little, you'll find this big table of these parameters like primary niche, its sub niche, search volume as I said before, and seasonality, search volume, and print on demand categories like clothing, footwear, phone cases, bags, and so on. And these numbers and these analytics are taken from Amazon Merch. And for sure, Amazon.com is the biggest marketplace for print on demand business and for any field or any business. So if you are working on any other print on demand platform like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, and so on, you can take this list as a reference for your niches and sub niches. Okay. So here, as I said before, these niches and sub niches are sorted alphabetically, A, P, C, D, and so on to Z. Okay. So if you can take any niche or sub niche as an example, like this. In this pole games, it is a big niche pole games, okay, and this sub niches like baseball, basketball, cricket, dog pole, football, and so on, golf, handball, and many other sports of pole games, okay. And then in this column you will find this search volume for this sub niche. And in this stunning list, you will find a very impressive data in this column of season. Here you will find the season in which this niche or this sub-niche on its highest peak or in its prime, okay? I will give an example. If you can take this pole games as a big niche, if you can take this sub-niche, okay, ice hockey, you'll find here this season, December, its highest peak here. The search volume, the highest search volume, okay, and the same on this big list from A to Z, okay, like beach sports, this big niche, and its sub niches, baseball, basketball, soccer, and golf, and so on, okay, board games, cancer. It is awesome list as you see, computers, machine learning, tech support, computer program, impressive, dancing, color dancing, top dance, break dance, line dance, dog, this perfect sub niches, corgi, boxer, awesome, French bulldog, and its search volume as you see here, perfect. Okay, if like fast foods as big niche and its sub niches like noodles, pasta, French fries, burger, and so on. Okay, and of course I will leave the link of this list below in the description box. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.